How to use foam adhesive for gypsum cardboard. Make sure the substrate is clean and free of dust or grease. Shake the can hard for 30 seconds and screw the can to the gun. Before bonding the board, place a gypsum cardboard piece on the bottom of the wall as a spacer. Apply a 2 to 3 cm wide bead on the board, keeping 5 cm distance from the board's edge and leaving space between the bead for air escape. The bead diameter can be adjusted according to the evenness of the surface. Immediately after application, bond the board to the surface, pressing it carefully to preliminarily set the position. Maximum unevenness which can be corrected is 20 mm. After the preliminary correction, use a long level to correct the final position. This should be done between 2 and 5 minutes after the product application. 30 minutes after application, the product is strong enough and the joints can be mudded. Foam adhesive for gypsum cardboard. Work faster, work smarter.